Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 20th on a Thursday, and seeing a gap down in the market this morning, mainly off the couple of big tech earnings in Tesla and Netflix. And then yesterday we kind of had a little tiny spinning top or a doji almost, and we are gapping down below that low. So maybe time for a little backing and filling, pulling back. We'll see what happens, but not crazy about entering new positions, at least on the outset of today. But nonetheless, let's take a look at some setups out there. I think you can watch the financials here. We had a couple of banks, regional banks report. That's Zion and FitB. Uh, I know they've had a couple of really good days. Typically not my kind of setup, but if you look at the big picture, they've been kind of beaten up, and I could see this easily making to this $40 range in that Zion. Not saying it's going to, but it could happen. Another one to keep an eye on, I think, is good old-fashioned McDonald's. It's been kind of in a wedge here. You can see the wedge if I didn't draw it, but if it gets above that call it 296 area, could be worth a shot. Kind of a safe play is if the market does sell off. Uh, and let's see, PCG, Procter, not PCG, is Pacific Gas and Electric. It's been beaten up for a long time. I think they were responsible for a lot of a big fire back in Southern California several years ago. But it looks like it's digging itself out. Maybe look for a trade above this 18. Uh, but not a whole lot, guys. I do have some other ones on my list here, as you can see. Also seeing the races, but so if you do have trade ideas, you are able to get my whole list there. But other than that, boy, keep it tight today because we could be pulling back. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.